Hi friends, welcome to my channel on top 10. In this video, we have discussed about top 10 robots in the world. If you have not seen my last video, then please go to description and watch now. So let's start the video. Number 10. Butterfly robot. Butterfly robots look like a real butterfly and it is very difficult to differentiate between them from others. The robot weighs only 32 grams and it's charged with chargeable batteries. The butterfly robot can fly for at least 4 hours after 15-minute charge. Number 9. The kangaroo robot. This robot has been given the name of kangaroo because it's made similarly to original kangaroo, and this robot increases its energy with every jump. The robotic kangaroo weighs around 7 kg and it covers 80 cm in every jump. Number 8. Spider robot. This robot is look like real spider and it is transformed in any way. It is very flexible and it carry around 5 kg on the top of the body. Number 7. RoboSnake. RoboSnake is a very modern snake. In fact, the snake robo is known as the name of Elam and it can reach each and every corner of the ocean. This robo is used to repairing underwater ship and submarine. This robo has been built by Nebogan Research Center. Number 6. Deca robot. Deca robots are considered to be an example in the field of science and the robotics because this robot help human to live. Deca robots are the part of the robotics where people whose hand or feet are not are given these artificial limbs, which are Deca. Deca is designed by the American company. Number 5. Spot Robo. Spot Robo has been created by Google company and it is an animal robot. It is known as a dog robo. It moves on 4 feet and you can get work done inside and outside the house. Its special thing is that you can run on any uneven surface. Number 4. Pepper robot. Pepper robot was created by Eldner Robotics in 2014 and you can call it Happy Robot. The particular thing about this robot is that they can easily read the facial expression of the human. Its price is approximately 2000 euro. Number 3. Rolling boards. It's a robot that you can easily use on your home. These robots made by LG company can keep care of your home. When you are not in home, you can easily understand through this robot that everything in your home is fine or not. Therefore, it is a beneficial for you. Number 2. Asimo Robo. Asimo Robo is considered to be world's most powerful humanoid robot. This is probably the world's first powerful humanoid robot which you can get work by command. This robot has been made by Honda and it is a 4 feet high and 54 kg. Asimo can speak in 3 languages and it is a Japanese, Chinese and English. Number 1. Sophia Robo. Sophia Robo is the best robo in the world because it is an interactive robo that can talk to you, answer your question, and even in the face of this robo it can express 62 kind of the expression. And Sophia was made by Hansen Robotics Hong Kong. It talks with help of artificial intelligence and make answer to the question like a human. The government of Saudi Arabia has given her citizenship. If you like my video, then like, share and subscribe it and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.